Welcome to day 4 of the paraphrasing strategy. Today I'm going to demonstrate how the strategy works, and I'm going to be doing it by doing a read aloud example for you of a reading comprehension question. So remember, we're going to be using the RAP steps. Remember, R-A-P. So the first step is that we're going to want to make sure that we read the paragraph. And then step 2, we're going to ask ourselves what was the main idea and details in the paragraph. And then step 3, put the main idea and details into your own words. All right, so here we go with paragraph 1. Our article is called Wandering in the Wilds. Paragraph 1. Backpacking offers freedom found in no other type of wilderness travel. However, you must know what to expect when you hike off into the wilderness. There will be no piped water or shelters to use. There will be no tables to eat from and no grills to hold your pots and pans. There will be a few trail signs to guide you. You must know how to follow a map. You will be on your own. So that's paragraph 1. So now we need to ask ourselves, what is the main idea? So I'm looking at this, and if you look at the first sentence, it says backpacking offers freedom found in no other type of wilderness travel, because we always want to look at that first sentence. So I'm going to say that first paragraph's about backpacking. And then we need to ask ourselves, what details did it give us? It gave us details about how there's no piped water, no shelter, no tables, no grills, no pots and pans, and no trail signs. So that's quite a few details. And then we want to put the main ideas and details into our own words. So how about this? This paragraph is about the things you don't have when you go backpacking. For example, you don't have running water or a house, you don't have furniture or a stove to cook on, you don't have signs that tell you where to go, so you have to know how to read a map. So I think that sounds good. So then we're off to paragraph 2. Paragraph 2 says, still there are countless places you can go. Try an overnight trip to a mountain or stream. Follow an unmarked trail that seems inviting. A trial run will help you tone up muscles and show up mistakes and plans. During a short trip, you will not suffer too badly if something has been left at home. So what is this paragraph about? So the first sentence says, still there are countless places you can go. So I think it's about places you can go. And then it tells us places. It says we can go to the mountains, the streams, unmarked trails. So I'm thinking this one is a paragraph about places you can go when you're backpacking. You can go to a mountain, you can hike in a stream, you can walk along an unmarked trail. So we didn't cover everything. So it talked about how we can tone muscles and make mistakes with a trial run, that kind of thing, but we didn't talk about that. So let's go ahead to paragraph 3. Paragraph 3 says, experienced backpackers pride themselves on being able to travel light, with many weight savings as a gain. Some cut towels in half and saw the handles off toothbrushes to save ounces. They measure out just the right amount of food needed and put it in plastic bags. Plastic bags are lighter than cardboard. There are dozens of tricks to save ounces that add up to pounds. So for this one, what are we talking about in this one? Well, it's talking about how we want to travel light. So the paragraph's about traveling light. And then some details we could write about are you can take just half a towel, you can cut off your toothbrush handles, you can measure exactly how much food to take, you can put your food in plastic bags instead of cardboard. All right, so then we're at paragraph 4. Footwear is an important thing to keep in mind. Sneakers are cool and cheap. For youngsters who are growing, the heavy-soled ankle-high sneaker is best. Rubber is good when the going is wet. Hikers in swamps and bogs prefer the shoe pack above anything else. However, leather is the most popular shoe material for all around hiking. It wears well and is soft. It can be waterproof to shed snow and water. So we did step 1. We read the paragraph. So what is the main idea of this one? It would be footwear, I think. And what are some details? Rubber soles are good. We want to make sure it's soft. If we're rock climbing, we want to make sure it's waterproof. So let's go with that one as another one of our footwear things. So paragraph 5, leather soles on boots are slippery. Most hikers use rubber or cord soles. When the soles wear out, thick rubber lug soles can be put on. These grip the rocks well. So this one is about what we should wear on our feet. So we want to wear leather soles. No, we don't want to wear leather soles because those are slippery. We want to make sure we have rubber or cord soles. They grip rocks well. There we go. All right, so then we're at the last one, paragraph 6. Hiking boots should fit comfortably over 2 pairs of socks, one thin and one thick. They should protect the ankles and support the feet. They have to withstand long mileage on rocks and roots. Be sure that boots are well broken in before the trip. A mountain trail is no place to break in a new pair of boots. Ski boots are for skiing and cowboy boots are for horseback riding. Footwear with eyelets and lacing have proved best for hiking. A wise hiker always brings an extra pair of laces. So this one would be about our hiking boots. We want to make sure that we wear 2 pairs of socks. We want to make sure that we protect our ankles and our feet, support our feet. We want to make sure that we broke in the shoes before we go. And we want to bring an extra pair of laces. I think that covers that. We didn't talk about skiing and the cowboy boots because that doesn't need to be in our memory. All right, so I think we've got our 6 paragraphs done here. So hopefully this helped you understand how we would paraphrase things. Remember, we want to read the paragraph and then ask ourselves where it was the main idea and what are the details, and then we are going to write them down, and you want to put the details, main idea and details into your own words. Remember, we're using the RAP step, R-A-P, and good luck with the next activity here. We're going to review one more time, and then we will have start doing your own actually paraphrasing. So good luck. It's going to lead to you having successful times in your reading activities.